Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in today. Welcome back to our series of tutorials on coding. We've been studying the coding tutorials for kids, showing them how to use MIT Scratch. And for those of you who didn't see the previous tutorial, I encourage you to go to the YouTube page so you can see how to go there, and see what the interface is about. But it's pretty simple to use. What you can do now from there is go to your web browser. So make sure you got internet, and from there type Scratch in your browser in Google and click on the first one. So you're going to be Scratch Imaging Program Share. So you click on that. So you should arrive there, should land there. And from there, you can click on Start Creating or Create. And it brings you there after a couple of seconds. So you can close the window here. So what we saw last time, we talked about the sprites. So, it was pretty quick like this. So, and you have different type of sprites. So let's say we have a bear, flying cat. Let's take the crab. So we can see we have a crab here. So so that's nice, but it's kind of on a white page. Like say let's like a comic something. It's white. So we may need to add a backdrop to it. So you can see on that side we have shows backdrop. So you can click on that. And what brings it brings a landscape for us. So depending if you want to create something with a game, you have baseball field, basketball field, or if you're in vacation, beach, Malibu, and so on. So the kids can really choose whatever they want. Some of them really like fantasy. So you have the woods here, like the cat is scared, something like that. So these are different type of things we can do. So let's change the size if you want it smaller. So you can click on that 70% and if you want to change the cat here, so you can click on that and put it at like I don't know 80%. So this is how it is. So pretty quick. So you can, if you don't like the landscape, you can go there and click on it. You just need to click on it and I'm sorry, click on that, and from there and choose something else. It's like a bedroom, a castle. Let's click on the castle. Then from the castle to do that. So pretty simple to use. So I hope you enjoy it and see you for the next tutorial. Thank you very much.